welcome back to my channel. Always choose joy. Today's video, in today's video, I am going to review all my slimes so that you can see and you can understand the collections of my slime. Do you remember the slime Udi and I made? Means Udita and I made. I actually forgot to bring that slime in today's video, but I hope you remembered what type of slime that was. It was a glitter slime and it was very soft. If you see that video, you will understand how wiggly, jiggly and soft it was. So don't forget to watch that video, because I'm sorry I didn't bring that slime in today's collection. So let's get going. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes the magic doesn't work. So as you can see, a blank place. Now I'm gonna bring my first one. Whoop. This is a glitter slime, not that one which Udita and I made, but another one. So let's check it out. Wee, this is also very nice. Oops. These slimes which I'm going to review today are made by me, so hope you still like them. And the last one, which is kind of like yellow, that is not made by me, that I got in one return gift. Wait, this is so good. See guys, it's so jiggly. My god, I just broke this slime or something. Okay, that's for this slime. Let's bring the next one. So this is the metallic slime. Hope you can see it from the camera. I'm just going to show you the more. Whoa, this is so stretchy. I never thought this would be so stretchy. So as you can see now, it's like I am just holding some metal or some. It's like I'm holding Mars. It's more like I'm holding the golden Mercury. I never do that. Sorry, I got an operation. Wow, guys, this is so good. Oh, good bubble, I can see. Wee. I love to play with this Mercury kind of slime. Come on, now I'm gonna break this slime. Just take a look at the slime. It's even looking like it. Hope you enjoy it. So now our next slime is special because it's the glow slime that's on stage. So this glow slime is so soft and smooth, as you can see. Let's take it out, shall we? Oh my god, this is so fun. Like, this one is the best of all. I didn't know how I actually made it. It's like I brought it from the store or something. And the best part is this is a glow slime. This is a glow slime, guys. Yes, I'm not joking, I'm not kidding. This is a glow slime. Do you want to check out? let me show you. 1, 2. So whoa guys, I've closed the whoa. Come on. I've closed the light, and as you can see, this is literally glowing out here. Whoa, I've never seen anything like this. It's literally glowing in the dark. I'm gonna switch on light. 1, 2, and go. Yeah, now I've switched on, guys. Now it's not glowing, but it was, as you could see. Wow, this is so good. I will die right here. It's my favorite slime because it also glows. And the last slime that we have on stage today is the slime that we brought from the store. So I didn't bring it, but I got it in return gift. Come on out. And that is also with 2 surprises we got here. One is Batman, and the other one is, wait, I'll just take it out. The other one is Spider-Man. So this is the slime from the store, so it will be better. So come on, just 1 second. Sorry, just 1 second. I'm sorry for the noises that are coming. Could you see that? Oh my goodness. This is really good, and I really like it. As you can see, it's so no bubble. Why do you always do like this to me? This is my favorite. Obviously it will be because it's from the store. After all, my theoriness are coming out. Oh my god, could you see the bubble right there for a few seconds? Yeah, for a few seconds. Just kidding. And I'm gonna put Batman and Spider-Man. Hold up a started! The Avengers are coming. I'm just kidding, okay? So guys, I'm gonna again stretch these lines. I have to give a name for this line. Can you suggest me? Okay, let me call it the Bat Spider. Oh my god, that was a good name. No, it wasn't. Okay, so if you could suggest a better name in the comment box, please do so, and also suggest names for my slimes that I made too. Please, I need to call these big bodies, If I don't call them with a name, they're going to get up at 9 and just slime me over. They'll slime me and I'll get all slimy and so now it's time for keeping it. Sad to say goodbyes. Come on, get in now. Get in, Spider-Man. Ugh! I've put them in and now I'm going to keep them. So this is my slime collection, and I had another one which I made with Udita. So that was like, I can't find it today, so sorry I couldn't bring it. And that's all for today. See you in my next video. Whee! Wait, it didn't work. I need to hold a slime or something.